pampered puppy.
Female.
Yes, sir. I saw him.
Males will have the red. That's a female.
What about the bright green one? Is that male?
Male too. The bright color ones are the males and the
The red ones.
females.
The red ones
I
are
thought,
That's
I
back
thought
males.
birds, I thought with birds it was usually the females that were more colored.
On the
even
cardinal,
peacock.
on the cardinal, the male bird is the red bird, and the ugly one is the brownish reddish looking color.
That's a male right there with the
We were
red.
watching,
That's a male.
He's pretty.
Planet Earth, what were we watching?
Yeah, Planet Earth.
They had this great, big, colorful, real pretty bird, and then they showed I think it was a female, and then they showed the male. It was this scrawny looking gray thing. It was just like really? Those are the same species?
See, they all got green on their back so they can
The male
hide in the
peacock is
trees.
the one that's got the real pretty feathers, and the females don't.
Those are real common around where we live.
Peacock,
Peacock.
really?
Yeah. You just see him walking around.
People get them and then they end up.
Yeah.
I mean, people got
There was a-
around here and
There was Clearwater had a really big farm where I used to live. It was all that whole area was a peacock farm at one point. They had thousands of them. But we saw one. I mean, we just saw one on the road.
I was up in Holiday.
Huh.
You know, just kind of grazing on the side of the road. Surprised they don't try and eat that wasp. I'm guessing that's sugary enough.
Wasp needs to go.
A lot of them, you better.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's like 10 or 15 of them.
Sounds like them up now.
They all up in them trees. He's like, look at me, look at me. They sucking it dry.
I know. I've never seen one bubble like that.
Not that long ago, when I came out here